everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'll share with you Modelones Halloween solid cream gel kit. So all these colors are inspired by Halloween, and in this kit there are 6 cream gels. They contain about 5 grams of products here, and as you can see they all have their names starting from 001, 002, that's 003, 010, 036, 024. So they all have their numbers, and I really like the cute packaging here, and this is like in pink jars, so I really like that. It also comes with a brush, so I'll just open this for you. So that's the brush it comes with to apply these gels on the nail. And if you see on their website, it also comes with a Halloween sticker, which I didn't get in this package, which is too bad, but that's okay. So the link of this collection will be in the description box, so you can check it out, and I will also add my coupon code, so do use that whenever you make a purchase from Modelones. So now I'm gonna open and show you guys how they look. So this one is 024. So all the colors comes with this seal protectant here, so which is great. And I'm just gonna open it, and that's the color. It's 024. It's so pretty and so shimmery. Can't wait to swatch this for you. The next one is here 003, which is red. Really like the red, it's so deep. Next one is 036. It's like a yellow and orangey mixed color, so I really like that. And I have this gorgeous purple color 010. Such a bright color. Then I have this jet black color. I really like that, so dark. And the last one is the white, so it's really opaque. I really like these colors. They look so pigmented and they look so bright, so can't wait to swatch. So let's do the swatching now. final swatches of this Halloween solid cream gels. I really like how pigmented they are and how creamy they are. You don't need a lot of product. I've only applied 2 coats and they're so pigmented and full color, so I'm really happy with their cream gels. And even though they are small jars, but they would last a long time. And look at this one, so pretty and so shimmery. I really like these. The purple is also very pretty. The yellow, red, white and black, they're also pigmented. They're currently having a sale on their website on Halloween, so do check it out and take advantage of that sale. Also my coupon code, everything will be mentioned in the description box for you. So that is all for the video guys, and I hope you really enjoyed watching the swatches of these cream gels. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one then. Bye.